Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to bulk create YouTube Shorts with Canvas in 2023. Of course, YouTube Shorts is a popular feature that allows you to create and share shorts, vertical videos with your audience with the help of Canvas, versatile design platforms. You can streamline the process of creating multiple shorts at once. So let's dive right into how to bulk create YouTube Shorts with Canvas in 2023 and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use Brave. And of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open this browser, make sure to go to this URL section. And of course, you'll have to go and set up our Canva account. So, of course, I'm just going to type in this URL section canva.com and hit the enter button. And as you can see, we are at the home screen or main screen of Canva account. So the first step, of course, here is just to go and create or log in into your account of Canva. So if you have an account, you can simply go and log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up here or sign up for free on here, or you can even go and download the Canva in your PC if you want to by clicking on this get the desktop app. So simply you can even log in into your account or even sign up into a new account if you with Google, Facebook, or even email if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging into your account. For me, I'm just going to choose Google as an example. I'm just going to choose this account. And of course, once we are logged in into our account, we can even go and answer some questions which will help us or will help Canvas provide even better Canvas for us. So let's say, an example, I'm just like personal. And okay, maybe later I don't want to start my free trial yet. So here we are. Once we're logged in into your account, of course, let me just remind you that Canva offers a wide range of pre-designed templates, specifically tailored for YouTube Shorts. So to begin, you can click on Create a Design at the top right corner button on your Canva dashboard. And of course, in the search bar here, you can simply type YouTube Shorts. So simply, I'm just going to type YouTube Shorts. And as you can see, we'll find this YouTube Shorts or YouTube Shorts banner. So for us, we'll click on YouTube Shorts to browse through the available templates. You can choose the templates from here that resonate with your content and style and preferences. And of course, as you can see, those with the crown will not be available for you unless you are subscribed to them or you have your free trial. So let's say, as an example, I would like this one. So simply, I'll have to choose whatever template suits me here. And of course, just make sure it does not have the crown. So simply, I'm just going to click on this one. And as you can see, I'll be able to add it as an example. So you can even go through this tour as an example here to show you how to do that, but it's going to be pretty simple. You don't even need it. So let me just go and click on next. Got it. And as you can see, this is going to be our Canva. Of course, we'll be able to edit or customize everything on this Canva. So once you're selected your template, of course, it's time to customize it to fit your unique vision. Of course, Canva provides a intuitive drag and drop interface, as you can see from this left panel, making it easy to add your own images, as an example, if you want to, or you can even draw if you want. You can even add your own text, graphics to the template. Of course, experiment with different fonts, colors, and layout to create a visually appealing short design. You can even go and edit some of the things that is existing here in the Canva already, or the design already. So now we're here where the bulk creation process comes into the play. So after like finalizing your design, let's say this is gonna be our final design, or let's just go and add like a simple draw here. I'm just going to add like some random stuff. I'm just going to add here as an example a small text as an example. So simply I'm just going to click tests here. I'm just going to type it test like that, and just going to move it a little bit here. And why not, let's just add like, I don't know, you can even add some brand hub, some projects if you want to. You can even go and click on your projects here, or you can go and add some folders if you want to, elements that you can find here. Let's just add this sticker, why not? Make it smaller bits, go give it here, and let's say that is my final design. So after finalizing your design, you can simply click on this plus button if you want to add even more clips if you want to. And once you're done with everything, you can go back to your home screen as example, go to your projects as example, and let's see if you find our projects here. So if you let's just click on it, and as you can see, here is it. That's going to be our projects in our documents here. If you click on this three dots, as you can see, you can click on duplicate or make a copy. So this button, of course, will do all the bulks that you want. So make sure to go and click on this make a copy to make like copies of your design depending on how many shorts you want to create. Duplicate your design multiple times, and of course this will create identical copies of your original design, allowing you to quickly modify each one. Once you create, like as example, a lot of copies, as an example, if you click on make copy, as you can see, you'll find here a lot of designs. Of course, with your duplicated design in place, it's time to modify each one to create a unique YouTube short. You can now change, as example, you can get back into it and change the text, image, color on each design to differentiate them. And of course, this will give you like your shorts variety while maintaining a cohesive overall look. Once you're satisfied with everything, of course, it's time to download your YouTube Shorts. You can simply click on the share button. You'll be able to download it or even share it on social if you want to. So of course, Canva will offer you like various download options, including like image format like GPEG or PNG. You can even select the desired format and quickly, of course, you can even change the quality settings and download each design to your computer. So click on share as example. Let's just click on download. As you can see, you can even download this as MP4 or every formats that we want. As an example, this one, and simply click on download once you want to download. And as you can see, the quality will be just HD, or actually this is full HD. If you want to make it better, again, you will have to go and get the free trial or go and subscribe to one of their plans. So once you're done, of course, you'll have to go, once you have it, you'll have to go into your YouTube as an example, youtube.com. And then let's just wait for it until download, and then I'll have to go and click on create, and here we have to go and click on upload a video, and simply click on select file, select the video that you would like to upload, and simply upload it here. Once you upload it, of course, make sure if you want to have it as shorts, make sure to add this /shorts, and it will be added as shorts directly to your YouTube channel. And of course, you'll have now to go and promote and share your YouTube shorts on your social media or group, or maybe you can use like campaign emails and a lot of other stuff to do that. So once you're done, congratulations, you've successfully bulk created YouTube shorts with Canva to maximize your audience. Of course, consider sharing them in your social media, as I said, platforms, and engaging with your viewers and exploring YouTube Shorts features to maximize their reach. So, of course, that concludes our tutorial on how to bulk like create YouTube Shorts with Canvas in 2023 by utilizing Canva's versatile design tool and duplicates and modify your designs. You can effectively or efficiently create multiple shorts while maintaining a consistent visual style. So have fun exploring the possibilities and engaging with your audience through your YouTube Shorts creations. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. So thank you for watching and happy short creating.